Welcome to Funky Monkey Trivia! Home to a very curious monkey!
What is the most popular dog breed in the United States? Labrador Retriever. How many teeth does an adult dog usually have? 42. What sense is strongest in dogs? Smell. What breed of dog is known as the fastest runner? Greyhound. What is a baby dog called? Puppy. What breed of dog has a blue-black tongue? Chow chow. How many eyelids do dogs have? 3. What breed was originally bred for water rescue? Newfoundland. What part of a dog is as unique as a human fingerprint? Nose print. What dog breed is known for its wrinkled skin? Shar-Pei. What does it mean when a dog wags its tail? It can signal excitement or emotion. Which dog breed is the smallest in the world? Chihuahua. What do dogs use to regulate their body temperature? Panting. What is the average lifespan of a dog? 10 to 13 years. What breed is known for a strong sense of smell and tracking skills? Bloodhound. What color vision do dogs mostly have? Blue and yellow. What is a group of puppies called? A litter. Which dog breed is known for its spotted coat? Dalmatian. What is the tallest dog breed in the world? Great Dane. Why do dogs circle before lying down? It is an instinct from their wild ancestors. What part of a dogoyuro's body helps with balance and communication? Tail. What dog breed is often associated with police work? German Shepherd. What sound do dogs make to communicate warning or fear? Growl. What do dogs primarily use their whiskers for? Sensing nearby objects. Which dog breed was bred to hunt lions? Rhodesian Ridgeback. What do dogs dream about when they sleep? Daily activities and experiences. What is the sense dogs use to recognize people best? Smell. What is a common sign that a dog is happy? Relaxed body and wagging tail. What ancient animals are dogs descended from? Wolves.
Monkey trivia. Where the curious monkeys play. Think you're smarter than the monkey? Come on back and test your brain. Hit subscribe, don't run away. New questions coming every day. Funky monkey trivia, let's play again. Okay.